Ginger, orange, lemon, and turmeric shake is a refreshing and nutritious drink that can benefit your health in many ways. This mixture contains a powerful combination of natural ingredients that have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. Here are 10 benefits of drinking ginger, orange, lemon, and turmeric shake. Boosts immunity. Ginger, orange, lemon, and turmeric are rich in antioxidants, which help to boost the immune system. Drinking this mixture can help to strengthen your body's defenses against viruses and bacteria. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This can help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Digestive health. Ginger and lemon are known for their digestive properties. Drinking this mixture can help to soothe the digestive system, reducing bloating, constipation, and other digestive issues. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Helps with weight loss. Ginger and lemon are known to be effective in weight loss. Ginger increases metabolism, while lemon helps to reduce appetite. This mixture is a great way to support a healthy weight loss journey. Regulates blood sugar. Turmeric has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for people with diabetes. Drinking this mixture can help to stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent spikes. Anti-cancer properties. Turmeric has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, can help to prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. Boosts brain function. Turmeric has been shown to improve brain function and memory. Drinking this mixture can help to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Skin health. Ginger, lemon, and turmeric have all been shown to be beneficial for skin health. Drinking this mixture can help to reduce inflammation and improve skin complexion. Cardiovascular health. Ginger, lemon, and turmeric are all beneficial for cardiovascular health. Ginger can help to reduce blood pressure, while turmeric can help to reduce cholesterol levels. This mixture can help to improve heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. In conclusion, a mixture of ginger, orange, lemon, and turmeric shake is a delicious and nutritious way to improve your health. Drinking this mixture can help to boost immunity, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and promote overall wellness.